Welcome back to Cruising America. Today we're hiking the Metcalf Bottoms Trail in the Great Smoky Mountains National Park. We're Steve and Kathleen. We're cruising America in our 35-foot fifth-wheel RV, chasing 70-degree weather year-round. If you'd like to watch our previous videos, please click the Cruising America playlist link in the description below this video. Otherwise, enjoy our current episode starting now. Highlights include beautiful scenery, a historic schoolhouse, and a creek to explore. Potential challenges include muddy spots and roots along the path. Because this trail is popular, we recommend starting early. This trail starts at the Metcalf Bottoms picnic area at the corner of Weir Cove Road and Little River Road, basically the terminus of the road into the park from Weir Valley. Metcalf Bottoms is between Knoxville and Elkmont. Tennessee vacationers would pass by on their way to their summer cabins. The commute was originally done by train, but after the logging industry left Elkmont, the railroad was demolished and a road built. During construction, the local Metcalf family showed their gratitude for this development by bringing cold, drinkable spring water to the workers. The picnic area bearing their name remains a monument to their kindness. The trailhead is just north of Little River, running along the north side of the picnic area, giving you the option of taking a dip if you want. There is plenty of parking available. Though the trail has a 2.6% average grade, the climb is concentrated in the middle of the hike. It's still not a bad climb, especially since the longer section is on a Forest Service road. Once you drop down the hill, you follow a creek to the schoolhouse, crossing several times. It's nice and shady and cool all the way to the schoolhouse. Built in 1882, Little Greenbrier School taught nearby children for more than 50 years. Though formal classes ended in 1935, teaching and learning did not. The school still serves local children and park visitors. Miss Elsie Burrell, a longtime park volunteer, symbolized the spirit of the Little Greenbrier School. The 35-year teaching veteran came in 1969 to teach kids about the Smoky Mountains. She once described them as, quote, God's beauty spot out of doors, open for you and full of opportunities to learn. Along this trail, you have the potential to see white-tailed deer, elk, turkey, and black bear, among other animals. Also, Great Smoky Mountains National Park is known as the salamander capital of the world, with 31 species identified in the park, 4 of them federally protected. The park also has 2,000 miles of streams, with 67 species of fish in 12 different families, including lampreys, darters, shiners, suckers, bass, and trout. The Great Smoky Mountains National Park has more than 800 miles of trails, ranging from easy half-mile loops to a 70-mile stretch of the Appalachian Trail. Many people come to the Smokies hoping to see a black bear, but you never know when you'll encounter one. Many trails are in close quarters, and you could easily find yourself between mama and a cub, or come upon a sick or panicked bear. We strongly recommend carrying bear spray. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. If you're not a subscriber yet, please subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below, then click the bell to receive an instant message each time we publish more videos.